Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to create unique tote bags using an AI. We are here to guide you through the process of crafting stunning tote bags with the help of imagine.art and Printify. This is an excellent means to transform your imaginative concepts into tangible merchandise. However, before we begin, please remember to click the subscribe button and show your appreciation with a thumbs up if you find this video valuable. So, let us get started. To kick things off, we need a design, and that is where ChatGPT comes into play. I will walk you through the process step by step. So first, head over to the imagine.art website. I have already created an account here, but if you haven't, go ahead and set one up. It is quick and easy. Once you are in, we will use ChatGPT to generate a unique design prompt. I will input a formula like this. Using the formula without square brackets, write a prompt for creating an aesthetic super minimalist design for the tote bag. After a few seconds, ChatGPT provides us with a ready-made prompt. This is where your creativity shines. Now, let us go back to the imagine.art site and paste our generated prompt. Before we hit generate, make sure to set your aspect ratio to 1:1. For model, I will choose Imagine version 4. And from the suggested styles, let us try Studio Ghibli today. You can experiment with different styles if you like. Remember to activate the high resolution option and set the step scale to its maximum value. But please keep in mind that these features are exclusively accessible with a Pro account. However, even if you choose not to enable high resolution, don't worry, your image will remain impressive. Now, let us click Generate and discover the masterpiece it produces. After a few tries, we have got our art ready to roll. Look at this beauty. Now that we have our design, it is time to put on a physical item. We are going to use a service called Printify for this. If you are not familiar with Printify, it is a platform that helps you apply your designs to various physical goods and sell them on platforms like Etsy. Head over to printify.com and create an account if you don't have one already. Once you are in, search for the item called Tote Bag. That is exactly what we need. So click Start Designing. Here, you can upload the art we created earlier and place it on the tote bag as you like. Get creative with the placement. When you are satisfied with your design, click Preview to see what your product will look like in real life. After previewing, click Save Product. Now, you are ready to place your product on Etsy or any other platform you prefer. Repeat this process several times. Create as many products as you want and start earning money. But remember, to monetize images generated using imagine.art, you will need to purchase a paid subscription. Don't worry, it is quite affordable. As you can see in this illustration, the standard plan is priced at $79 annually, while the basic plan comes in at $59 for a year. Please be aware that these costs are for a full year's subscription. When you compare this to certain AI image generators like Midjourney, which charge $30 per month, the prices of $79 and $59 appear quite economical. However, if you'd like just to give it a try, then you have the option of opting for a weekly plan at $9 and $7 respectively. Ultimately, your choice should be based on your budget considerations. I am eagerly anticipating hearing your opinions. Are you thinking about venturing into the world of online business? Perhaps specializing in tote bags. Did you find the process of creating a tote bag online straightforward and convenient? Your insights are valuable to me, so please feel free to leave your comments in the section below. Your unique ideas and personal experiences could be beneficial to individuals considering a similar endeavor. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.